Hello everyone, you're welcome to the Natech Guide. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the number one website that you can use to learn web development for free. So you have to open your web browser and type developer.mozilla.org, okay? And then you enter. I already have an account with Mozilla, so the moment I did that, it logged me in automatically, but you have to sign up. After signing up, you have to scroll down to the bottom and look for learn web development. Okay, so this is the structure of the course, what you are going to learn. You'll be learning HTML, CSS, JavaScript, web forms, accessibility, performance, tools and testing, and server-side website program and others. So you can take your time to learn this without paying for courses or trying to pay for courses on other sites to learn web development. So this is all about it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.